Guys, guess what happened today? Again, the truck's battery died. So, I did some pretty genius work over here. Down there, I connected my power cord all the way down through there, through past my snowblower, down here, connected it to the battery charger, all the way into the charger, this old rusty thing. Then connected the charger cables itself to my extension cables, and all the way up to the battery. Because the vehicles that we have available around here, their batteries are on the right side compared to this one. So we've had it charging for just a little more than an hour probably, and we're gonna try and see if it will start. The chances of this are 50-50. Hold on. There we go. So the chances are 50-50. Wrong key. I was using my antique key. Yeah, the looks like the vehicle doesn't want to start. All right. All right, YouTube. Looks like this is a fail. Catch you later.